Oh, hi. I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. Today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that is for intermediate and advanced dancers because it involves both pullbacks and wings. So we're going to be doing a little prep variation exercise. It's a lot of fun, and it's really like a tongue twister, but for your feet. It's one of those things you really have to think about because you're going to be going from one foot after another or both feet at the same time for something that uses one foot after another or something that uses both feet at the same time. It's tricky and it's fun. So if you're a tap teacher, this is a great one to bring to class to focus on not just the step, but going into the step from different preps. Because in choreography, you're gonna get into everything with a different prep. I was teaching my jazz students the other day that you're not always gonna get this prep for a pirouette. And I was teaching my ballet students the same thing. You're not always gonna get to tendu and then plie and fourth. You are not always gonna get that prep. Sometimes it's literally like drag into fifth and then go, you know? Like, sorry, I really thought I was about to fall off my floor, and then for some reason I just apologized to my Batman guitar. Anyway, that's on camera and I'm not removing it. So yeah, today we're gonna be doing that. So let's go ahead and get started before I say anything else. Also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, do the thing. All right, so it starts with ball, change, pull, back, ball, change. And that's 1, 2, E and a 3 and 4. So ball, change, brush, brush, step, step, ball, change. So you do that twice on the right foot. You can do right or left, honestly, whatever your stronger side is, but please note we will be doing the weaker side as well. So ready? 5, 6, twice through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you have students that are working on going from flat foot versus going from up here, you can do this 2 different ways then. You can start with, or if you are going from flat foot or from toe, you can do this 2 different ways, whether you're a teacher or this is for you. So you can do it from flat foot and then do it again, but this time from the balls of your feet. That way you get to practice it both ways. For the purposes of filming, I'm only going to do it from the balls of my feet, but you can add that as an extra piece if you want to go from flat foot as well. All right, so you have that. Then you have jump, pull back, jump, pull back, jump, pull back, jump, pull back. And by jump, I mean you are jumping onto both feet. Crazy, right? The hardest part is landing with both feet at the same time. Because your instinct, because you're pulling one after another, is to go, but don't land both feet at a time. It's cool, it's super cool. So the whole exercise with the pullbacks goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So hard, but awesome. And then you will also do it on your awkward side. Now, I did say that we were gonna do our awkward side. Because of my knee injury, I still have issues landing on this knee. So I will not be doing the left, but I will do it a second time on the right so that you can practice it on the left. I do apologize, most of the time I am down to do both sides, but landing on this knee, especially with all the shows that I've been doing, it's just a little tired and I can't right now. So, but you have to practice both sides. Even if one of them is not that great or feels really awkward, you have to practice both sides. Because the other side isn't gonna get any better if you just like let it be awkward, you know? So, practice both sides. Let's do it one more time. Do your awkward side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Okay, second half of this. ball, change and a wing, ball, change, ball, change and a wing, ball, change. Jump and a wing, jump and a wing, jump and a wing, jump and a wing. So now it's flipped. The hard part's the first part because you're going 1, 2, and then using both feet. After that, you're using both feet, and it feels natural. So same thing, but with a wing instead of a pullback. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. And that's how the exercise goes. I was gonna count, but with all the jumping, it would have just sounded like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a... All right, so let's try the whole exercise. I'm not gonna use music today just because I feel like it was a really, really hard time trying to find exactly the right tempo that was gonna work. So we're just gonna go without music, and it makes it easier to really hear what you're doing when you don't do it with music. So if you are a teacher and you plan on bringing this to class, I'm going to recommend that you do not do this to music, just because you can really hear each of your sounds and know if you did it right, or know if your students did it right. All right, whole exercise. So the whole thing with pullbacks and then right into the whole thing with wings. Right side or good side, whichever. Ready? Because I know there's some lefties out there. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't fall over. All right, so hopefully that went okay. All right, let's do it one more time so that this time you can do your awkward side or your less comfortable side. I don't like calling it a good side and a bad side. It's a comfortable side and a not so comfortable side, okay? So do your other side. Again, I apologize that I can't, but just let's do it. I'm gonna do it again so that you have to practice the other side. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Hopefully you had a lot of fun learning this, and if you are a teacher and you plan on bringing this to class, hold on. Hopefully your students enjoy it as much as I do. This was so much fun. I love pullbacks and wings, and I love how excited my students get for them, because it's like, oh yay, tricks. They're not really tricks, they're just steps, but like, they get excited because they're kind of tricky. So I'll take a win. I'll take a win for sure. Hopefully you all had a really, really good time with me today. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials. I have tons of step tutorials. So if you're needing more assistance with pullbacks, wings, pullbacks from the ball of the feet, syncopated wings, different kinds of wings. My bad. my speaker was like, bye. I have tons of tutorials dedicated to just that step. I have a whole tutorial dedicated to simply how to do a pullback. I have shorts that have tips on good pullbacks, tips on wings. I've got so many. If you need like a dedicated tutorial for any step, I probably have it. If there's a step missing, message me and I will make that video. I am looking for more steps to do because I'm like, oh no, I'm running out. So make sure that you check out that playlist if you want to. And yeah, I've got tons of stuff on this channel. It's all free tap dance. It's all for you. So please subscribe. It's the single best way of helping me out with this channel, because the more subscribers I have, the longer I can sustain what I'm doing on this channel. And you don't understand how much joy this gives me. I said it in the other video I filmed today. I was having a really, really terrible day today. And filming, and even though you're not really in the room with me, filming and dancing this with you has just turned my whole day around, and I feel so happy. So thank you for that, and thank you for helping keep this channel going. Thank you, Bento. You just showed up. So yeah, hit the subscribe button and become a part of this fam. Also, hit the thumbs up button because tap makes you happy, and also because it tells the YouTube algorithm that people love tap dance. Also, thumbs up for Bento's loud chewing at the exact wrong time. You done? No. Okay, so I was like hoping that you guys maybe could hear a crunch. It's really cute, honestly. I love him. But yeah, so subscribe, thumbs up, and as always, thank you so much for dancing with me.